Just in the street forever. Just what's up, my heart attacks? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what's up, what's up? My name is Jaclyn, aka JacTac5678. So instead of just me babbling on and on about what's been going on with me, I figured I would show you guys my everyday makeup routine, my go-tos. But I went to Disney World. It was like my dream. It's so huge. The lines are massive. The hours and hours. Oh, speaking of hours and hours. Yeah, you see Goofy, Tinkerbell, Jasmine, Aladdin. A bunch of those fine folk there. It was really just a dream come true. Happy New Year to everybody. I didn't get a chance to come on here and wish everybody a Happy New Year, but I'm doing it now in the middle of April. Oh my god. It's April already. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up the video if you guys like it. I'm just gonna get this frame tied to my face and we can just go ahead and talk about light. Typically I put my hair up in some clips because I don't want to disturb my curls. I will put this all over the high points of my face. Anytime I want to look naturally glowy, I put this on. So middle of my forehead, tops of my cheeks, chin, bridge of my nose. I'm going to scrub my lips because ain't nobody like crazy chapped lips. Okay, so I started my year January preparing for February because I had decided that I was going to go to Los Angeles to take some classes, to take my acting really seriously, and I'm gonna go in from Vasaline on my lips because they're dry now. Did you know that Marilyn Monroe used to use Vaseline as highlighter? If you ever wanted to be like really natural, I actually do that sometimes. From Pixie Beauty, the Brightening Peach. I've used this one forever. So yeah, I started the new year just really preparing for the time that I was gonna be gone. So I was trying to get some money together, and I hadn't really been filming because all of my time and energy was getting new headshots, which I haven't posted those. I should, I need to. And then I'll go in and I'll correct any like imperfections that I've got. And then I'll just go ahead and like warm it up with my finger. I was there for a whole month because I left the second week in February and then I came back in the middle of March. I met so many famous people. It was ridiculous. I mean, it's a little intimidating because it's like, oh my gosh, like you've seen them on TV and stuff. I had such a great time in LA. I do love LA. The thing that I don't like about LA is that it is so drying and it drives me absolutely bonkers. It drives me up the wall. So for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Lancome. I don't know what number this is. I use this on all the time. Oh, I am out of so many things because I'm so broke from being from LA. Oh my god. Somebody buy me new concealer. Got a little bit. Let's do this and then I'll go. Pretty much I'm going over all the areas that I put in that color corrector. And I'm just tapping it in. It's not that even the distance that makes the difference, it's the traffic everywhere that makes it so hard to do so many things in one day. If y'all follow me on Instagram, I posted like some of the stuff that I was doing. It was just every day was me going to class, auditioning for stuff, booking jobs. That's pretty much what I was there for, and that's pretty much what I did. It was just me and acting. That's all it was. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set that right now with the Mercier. This is just a little baby. Dip, dip, dip. Tap it in. I ended up going to New York for a hot second to do this audition. It didn't end up working out, obviously, because I'm not in New York. A huge part of me didn't want it to work out just because, like, I would pretty much have to be staying in New York, and I don't want to live in New York. This is my holy grail, Bahama Mama bronzer. Forehead, cheekbones. I'll do the sides of my nose. Same bronzer on my eyes with this big brush, and it will look just really blended. So I want to know what teams you guys have made, what teams y'all have tried out for, what prep classes y'all are going to. A bunch of y'all wanted me to audition for the Miami Dolphins this year. Couldn't make it happen. It was just too close to me coming back, and financially I just couldn't pull it off. When I put the concealer on, you can see how it kind of highlights it by itself like naturally. And if I'm feeling saucy, I will put on the Tarte because it has more of like a shimmering. I typically like to look like a bronze goddess. Blush. This one is from Tarte. I will dabble into that for like a little sort of cute moment. I have been loving this peach blush from Ofra Cosmetics. Apples on my cheeks and going up with it into my contour. So it gets more of like that highlighty, bronzy, peachy, lovey, girl next door sort of look. Okay. I'll put some of my chin too into the bridge of my nose, in the high points of my eyebrows. The Gimmie Brow, this cute little mini in number 5. I just want to put this out there. I do not have a prejudice against NFL teams. I feel like a lot of the teams that I have auditioned for are NBA, and I'm not doing that on purpose. I want to do more auditions for the NFL. I just always seem to miss them. I will fill my eyebrow pretty naturally. Let my brows do their thing. Wow, okay, my camera sucks. It was out of space. Oh my gosh, I talked so much and it missed everything. All you pretty much missed was my mascara. I used the Lancome-Hypnose Drama, my favorite, and a little bit of Perversion, but I primed with this Perversion. And then I just put on these 2 lipsticks, Jefree Star Lip and my holy grail from Meet Matte Hues, the Balm Cosmetics. Actually, have been loving gloss lately, so you didn't miss this part. Look who it is, it's my sister. Hi, I'm filming right now. Say hi to my YouTube people.
Hi YouTube people.
Just
In the street forever.
as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will check you guys in the next video. Bye.